Last lecture we talk about the position of your guide can affect your ship. Okay? Now there are some discussion yesterday between Arnold about this cut. That's right. Now if we need to analyze this shape, draw. First, we draw that, but exclude this cut. You make abstraction, as we said last time. Abstraction, meaning you analyze your shape as a steps. Okay? So, first, you should ignore this area, you don't show, and imagine that this line is continuous. Okay? After that, you will cut. Okay? So, Arnold yesterday made this shape, but he drawn these cuts in this sketch. In this sketch. Something like that will affect a big problem. Okay, because this cut is additional cut, not include the surface, not included in the surface. Okay, it's additional operation. Okay, also in reality, you have to sculpture this form without this cut. After that, you marking with your pen or your marker and start cutting. Okay, as a scene, the same reality, the same steps. All right. So now you have this as a surface, haven't any solids, no solid. Like we said last time, that this surface, just surface. Okay? We will mirror. Do you remember? Edit area, mirror, select right plan, and where? We will mirror body or feature. Anybody know? We need to mirror this one. Why body and the why feature? Why body?
We'll mirror part because we draw the other side also.
Okay.
Not the features.
Yeah.
Yes. So if we mirror the part, it will also mirror the features also.
Yeah. Now we mirror this is a body because it's a fully body. Okay. Not important that I don't need to mirror the surface loft order. No, I need a body. Because if I have, and I will tell you why body. Alright. Now I mirror this body. Okay? Like that. Okay. Why body, not feature? It's very important. Here, I think that you said feature because you then found the one only feature. Okay? And you said feature. Not error, not wrong. Not wrong, but will be wrong. Actually, now not wrong, but will be wrong. Why? Now, if I will come to cut, I need to make anything. Yes, cut. Okay, another sketch here. Come, this mirror. You know these actions that we made before, because I need to make another command, another feature after surface loft directly. Okay? Okay? And we'll get, I need right sketch here, something like that, and I will cut this with something called trim, and I will tell you in detail what is a trim. Fine. Has been automatically updated in another site. On another site you will find any modification has been done on the body. But when you will make feature, this means that you mirror only this comment. So if you will do this to stream 1, will not affect any update in another site because you mirror just feature. Just feature. So I said to you that not wrong, but will be wrong. Okay? If you have any additional commands you need to do, cutting or extrude or something like that, you need to mirror them alone with a separate comment. With time. Why? From first time I need to mirror this body. So any effect will be applied on the main body, will be updated in another. Okay? Understand why I select body, not feature? It's a very, very important tips. Take care from these tricks, please. Okay? Let's return to see what's the trim. Now in surface, not a solid, you can't use cut. You have something called the cut. What you will cut? Okay, you're working with a shape having any thickness, haven't any visual properties, haven't any density, haven't weight, visual shape. Okay, so here you using something like clothes. If you are tailor of clothes, okay, we are the same, right? So I need to make here a cut, special cut, like a glass of tray, for example. So only what you need to do, just select sketch and select the plan. Not important where is the plan, only must be parallel on the face that we need to do, just parallel. If at this point, no problem. If also the plan will be here, will be on another side, okay, having the problem. Okay, so the position of the plan, no problem. Okay, but direction on the plan, it's very important, must be parallel like that. Now make your shape. We need to make shape very elegant than this. Arc, another arc, start, end, another arc, or to be vertical. We said this before. If one forgets this, remember these actions that I do. You can make fillets also, sketch fillet, also sketch chamfer. Do you remember chamfer and the fillet that we made as a feature? Okay, it's the same in the sketch with the same name, sketch fillet, sketch chamfer. Okay, 10, 12 in number. Alright. Okay. Find this sketch. Good. Now we need to cut this sketch in this surface. What we will do? Nothing. Surface. This is a comment. Something called the trim. Like AutoCAD. Trim. What's the trim? Trim, you need to remove two selections. First selection, the tool will be trimmed like a knife, the knife, okay, and the surface will be trimmed. Okay, tool. Where is the tool? This sketch. And where is the area you need to trim? Find. If you select that, automatically he will trim that. Remove. If you select that, he will remove that. Okay? So you select the face which will be removed. Alright? Okay. If you select keep selection, this is very important. This selection is very important. Help you many times. Because you may have thousands of faces. A big project have thousands of faces. Okay? And you need to remove one small face. If you remove selection, this means that your selection will be removed. The selected item will be removed. Okay? And now I have 1,000 of faces. I can see what I need to remove. So I can select keep selection. Mean the selection that I would select now will be kept and the others will be removed. Okay? So now keep selection. I will select that. Okay. He kept this and removed all another. All other faces has been removed. Okay? Now edit feature, remove selection. Remove selection. Only the same selection has been removed and all others has been kept. Okay? Understand this feature? Alright? Now when I get mirror, good. Okay. Can you note something in this model? Anyone note something in this model? When after mirror?
Shape different.
The right and left, not smooth. There's something. Okay, not like that. This is a problem, but you can correct. How? In loft, see? Why? Why is this? This action depends on the end of curve. On the end of curve. What does it mean? Let's explain something. Surface. Now, we draw that after drawn something like that, and we drawn something like that. This shape and this shape have a loft with this guide. Okay? The surface itself, when you make a loft, you have something called edge condition. Edge condition. What's the edge condition? Edge condition which control the direction of edges at the end of profiles and guides. What does it mean? Three here, profiles. These are our profiles and this is our guide. Okay? Start end constraint. I need normal to profile. See the difference between none, normal to profile, normal to profile. If hidden, maybe this option can't be applied because it's a very close narrow area. Okay? Here, none, normal to profile. Understand the difference? Okay, what's the difference? When you go, this is a profile. Okay, and the surface has been constructed from this profile to others. Alright? Now you control the gate of output of profile, meaning this none. None what does mean? Does mean none is a random direction. You connect profiles together with random direction, with random mode. Okay? But when you get him normal to profile, this means that the start of surface will be normal as this profile. So if you have this surface with red color, this surface, if you will extend this line, tangent, a virtual line, tangent with this surface, you will find that this have an angle, not right angle. Okay? But when you get him normal to profile, this means that the start of surface will be normal to profile. So if I will get a virtual line, I will find it 90 degrees. Understand? Okay? Very complicated or no? Which are important when you're drawing surface. This is a science of surface, not software. These options can be found in Max in another softwares. Okay? But you have to know what does it mean. Normal to profile. This is for A. This is for profiles, not for guides. For profiles, not guides. Okay? Alright. Now for guides. Global. No effect. Why no effect? Why doesn't he found any effect? Because we need another more profiles to control the shape. If you need to control it 100%, you need to make at least one profile. So I can do that. If you you need to make another profiles to control this point like that. Let's try. Okay. Haven't a problem to suppress. What did we do? Suppress, unsuppress, not delete. We suppressed only. Okay. And show these sketches. Good. I need show. And we can create new plan. Do you remember this? Did you remember? New plan, parallel with any number. Flip, other side. Click sketch from this plan. Okay. This from Control 8, Control 8, the same Control 8, back and front. All right. Now we will start our profile. Here you don't know where is the curve you can connect. You can't see, because now you have this point and I need to connect to this point exactly. So what I will do, Control 8, okay, normally it's our points, virtual points. And I will show you something now. Now, this point, you don't know where you can connect. So, when you click on the point and shift and click on this curve, a new command called purse. What purse do? Purse can connect any point of your sketch on the exactly position of the curve that you need to put it. Okay? You can do that with constant. Constant can do that. Purse. Now this plan connected with a specific point of this curve. Okay? Now we need to connect this point with this plan as this curve. Intersection. We need to intersect all together. Okay? Just select point, shift, curve, purse. Okay. Alright? Virtual line, center line from the same point. Not important purse again, because already you have a point. And shift, tangent. Okay, secure tangency between them. This point, no problem. Haven't a problem. We can control with this point. Now you need to connect a point from here to a point from here. Sure. Okay, so you will create a point, shift, curve, purse, and curve, shift, point, coincident. Did you understand the sequence? Okay. Can't organize from here, arrange, adjust your curves according you see. And we'll give another normal curve, control 8 also, the same point, shift, curve, burst. Okay, so let's try. Why I do that? And suppress. So surface loft will be after sketches, because now I will edit and I need to see this sketch. If sketch after lofted, I will be not seen. Okay? So 1, 2, okay. Let's see what happens. Now, not working. Why not working? Because the strategy of loft provides guides, meaning many profiles and guides. Okay, but in this case we have a problem. Profile and the profile is a very good. This is not okay to be in profile way. It's not okay to be in profile. With this, yes, if I will remove this sketch, I can use this profile and this profile. Okay. Understand what I say? But in this case, I need to make a profile, and this will be a specific guide, and this will be guide, and this will be guide. It's a construction of surface. Textile, you know textile? Find any textiles, horizontal, verticals, make a net. The surface is a net, like a net, okay? But not straight. Have each curve have its shape, and when you collect them together, you find your final shape. Okay, so hide. Now, if we need to make this, what does it mean? Mean that we will go again, suppress, and get another profile, smooth profile here. Okay? Sketch the same. And find this, shift, birds. Why? Because you have another point, just pairs, and center line, Control 8 to see, horizontal, and shift, tangent, and get this. only. First, do that. Shift, line, tangent. No need. And make your curve. Also, shift, burst, and control your surface. Edit, because we forget to connect it with this. Point, shift, purse, and this curve set. So to adjust it.
Cannot do offset.
Yes, you can, but
Go back to plan, to back view, let's say.
you can do offset. No?
Can you offset this one?
Yes, sure.
Offset 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, you
Keep
can.
the same shape.
Yes.
Okay.
And you offset according normal, haven't the problem
Okay.
to be offset. Okay. But in offset, you should know where is the plan distance, actual distance you need to do with the plan.
You can burst to the line
If
to
you
match up and down. Don't extend. If you keep it as is,
you can, because you have a number. If you remove the number, in this case you can
and
do.
try. No, don't deform. Can we not deform? Just go until you match up and down.
You need to know that this distance, because this as triangle. You need to know this distance to know the other.
You cannot control it by hand.
Yes, if I have curve, if I need to make an offset, this means that I have to know what exactly this distance that will affect this distance.
Yeah, I mean, here you are drawing the shape randomly or the way you want to draw.
Yeah.
But if there is a specific size you need to follow. Start from big, going to small. You need to keep the same curve, as if you are offsetting inside.
Yes, you can calculate. You can calculate like that. You will calculate virtual line from here, from the first.
Okay.
You get a virtual line like that, and your curve is okay. You will start. So, distance and distance. Okay, this distance, if I need to change, this distance will change. So when you see that, now this means that my plan will be parallel with this plan, with this number, with this amount, and I will offset this amount. Okay, this will be okay. Need only to calculate to make this as slides. Also, you can get another one with the same line, and get the dimension. Now, if I want to, this dimension will affect this amount of plan distance. Okay, understand this idea? And in this case, your idea can become no automatically, haven't a problem.
But but you need to insert the size.
Okay. .05. So our plan from this plan, no problem to get it an amount. You can only select this line, this point.
What is the pressure?
Again, plan, front, and it will be parallel, but with no number, no amount.
Yeah.
Only select this line, this point.
Right click or left click?
No, left click, and okay. So, having the problem. If you change this 80, will change automatically the plan. Okay, if you change it to 50, the plan has been changed already. Okay, in relation between them. So 60, we have this number. Now we'll go to the plan and offset the number that we have, no problem now. It's 20. This offset, offset and this offset, you will offset like convert. Do you remember convert entities that you done? Convert
Outside, depending where you put your mouse.
reverse. Okay, all right. Now this 10, I need this 10 to be linked with this number. So if I will change the plan, automatically will change the offset. Okay, now we have that. This 7.73 should be instead of 10. This 10 should be 7.73. Yes or no? Understand me or no?
Why?
Okay, why? Now this plan on a distance of 60. Okay, this distance of 60, we will get a line from this point to this curve.
7. Okay.
This line will be 7.73, sorry. Okay, this distance really is the offset distance of this curve, of this main curve, main shape. Do you understand? Understand? Really? If no, tell me again. I will repeat. Okay? Repeat? Okay. Say to me, no problem. Now we need to keep the shape in each cross section, each profile, not drawing random as we did before. This shape has been drawn random, in random way. Okay? Not respect this shape. Right? So you need to offset that. Offset. Each specific distance, offset. Then each different distance, offset of it. Okay? So we need all these shapes has the same ratio with this number. Alright? We have a problem. What's the problem? If you need to make offset, you don't know the actual value of offset to intersect with this curve. Okay? Understand? So, we have small method. We did a sketch with a virtual line. Virtual lines. Center line, as I said before, virtual line. Okay? With 60, for example. And measure from this point to this point, have a specific number. This number, 7.73, is the offset number. So when I will go to this place, a plan on this distance, and make offset from these entities with this number, show that this point will come to here. Okay, the offset point will be connected to this point. So I haven't a problem. Right? Understand or no? Really or no?
So
you need to offset 60. Because you offset
Yeah.
10, so you need to offset 7.73.
Yeah.
Because you offset 10.
So let's
so
say-
that
Yes.
So let's say we have the shape. Okay. This is the shape that we have. This is the curve or the line that you have.
No.
And for me, how I understand it, or how I want to draw it, I need to divide it into this section. And I need to put another line like this. Okay. For me, I want this intersection, and this intersection, and this intersection.
Yes.
And I need to copy the line which is forming the other direction. Let's say this is X and this is Y. Okay? I need to copy this line to bring here, to bring here, to bring here.
Yes.
But I need to offset. I need to keep relation. Then once you change this size, this arc will change.
Yeah.
It will become up to this side. Then it will become up to this side. So actually, if we are talking about the side view, which is comes like this, let's say, this will become like this,
Yes.
and then it will become like this.
The same ratio.
Okay. Same ratio to have the same size, so
Yeah.
you will not draw randomly. How to make sure that these have been offset and form the same shape proportionally. So I'm making it smaller and smaller and smaller. Which relation, how to get this point or this point or this point?
This you have your experience yourself. Depends on experience. You need your quantity of points.
What is the of points? Yes, if I need, let's say I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I don't know the dimension. But visually, I need to draw some, for me this is how I see it. I see it as a grid. I need point here, I need point here, I need point here. Yes? Then I will get this line, offset here, offset it here, offset it here. Can be done like this or not?
No, this software is visually, yes, but it should be converted to parametric values because the engineering software. Okay, so now after we will finish that inshallah. I will change numbers. You will find the shape changing with you dynamically, with only change dimensions.
But I mean, while drawing it, we are not drawing on the standard values. You will not have the correct shape.
No, why? If you now at 60, if it would be 70, if it would be 80. After that, you can change these numbers to get the best visual. I have the problem. If I would change these numbers after finish,
You
the
got
shape
my
would
point,
be.
Arnold?
Yeah, but the problem of that one, you will do it now, Sergey. You will do it now.
On the,
What,
with the side.
what do you think now we will do it now? Because the one he offset and then he put 10, supposed to be able to change to 7.73. The remedial grid will be come up that one side.
That's you, okay,
This is the
continue
concept.
until the, and yes.
Okay, done with sketch
Are
offset.
you understanding what we are discussing?
Yes, sir.
Now do you understand what we are discussing?
This 10. So we will double click on this 10 equal, double click on this line equal that. See? Just not our. Okay. Fine. Now, this offset equal. Do you remember equal and select the other dimension we did before? Do you remember?
Just the formula.
Remember?
Yes, sir.
If no, tell me no, no problem. I will repeat for you. Okay? So, why make this equation? Because now I need to change 70. Okay, 70. But this 70 has been come away. No. Sorry. Should be connected. 70. 50. See? Automatically offset changed proportionally. Okay?
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
This is what I mean, yeah, this is what
We'll
I
get
mean.
the just only to make it clear.
How you copy now? No, Anna, what I need, Ahmad, I need to get the full drawing and offset.
Yeah, yeah. After
Instead of
finish.
drawing it
Yeah.
all lines and curves.
After
and
finish,
stuff.
you will see. I will do it now with this example. Okay. Now, it's okay. Only make this purse just relation to the computer can understand only. Okay. Dimension is okay. Just make a relation at this point to be actually connected. And create this, right click, edit sketch again, and you can now you can't make the same value here because you have a variable distance from top to down. So down haven't a problem. Down you can get it automatically because this value is already fixed with a 7.73. Okay, so this shape haven't a problem already. Let's try. Before make lofting, we need to modify something in these curves. What will modify? This surface, this line should be end here, and this line should be end here, and this curve will be already end here. Why? In this way, now you complete the textile net. Okay? What is now we have sure. 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 This and this. These are complete shape. Okay? Because after that this area will be a flat one will be closed as a flat. Like that. Okay, if you can analyze this, you will find what? From here to here, curve start here and stop to the end, to the final section. Okay, and from here and end to the final section. That's the same that we will do. Okay. In this case, you will find this shape. It's okay. Will be good. Let's try. Now we need to modify it. So we'll go to edit. In this case, you can do something. You can go to edit and edit this, but when you edit, no, you can't find. Why? Because all this sketch has been made before profile sketches, so you can see. Okay, if I need to see, we will try. Get the loft down and do that. Also, you can see. So, how can I do? Normal, haven't a problem. Make another sketch. And create convert entities. Convert entities. And get this point, tick, 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 to that. Only. And hides it. Hide the old one. We just convert entities from the old one. Just convert and push the point to the last cross section we need and hide the first one. Yes, this sketch 7 is a completed. No, I don't need it. Bye bye. No problem. Also, you can do with the same sketch. Convert entities for this one and hide sketch 7 and go with coincidence. It's okay, good. The same for this one. Go to do sketch, convert entities, and now I can't convert entities with normal sketch, so discard out. I need to make 3D sketch and convert entities because it's made from 3D sketch, not from 2D sketch. Yes, do you remember? And this old one I don't need edit sketch for the new one. Okay, now it's okay. We can try to loft. This loft, when you will do, okay, I will go to low and unsuppress and edit. You can change clear selection, clear selections, okay, and you can also hide these main structures. I don't need hide, and I don't need that hide. Also, you can get the same eye icon, hide. When you select this one, hide, and start working with your new profiles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The profiles, guide curves. 1, okay. 2, okay. 3, okay. He said to have a problem. What's have a problem? Maybe 3D sketch, or maybe this sketch. Second one. So we have a problem in this. This one. Not good for him. We will say why. We will see why now. So your shape now completed. If you give him features, fillets, if you need to check it with this view, this difference, why? From my random cross section, my random cross sections. Okay.
That's the reason why I'm asking to make
Yeah.
it
But this,
offset.
it's okay because just offset. Now, if we will change this 16 to be 17, this is the effect. 75. See the changes. 50 will be not okay for him. 60. It's okay. I have a problem in loft.
Why it is deformed?
Yes, some points has been deformed. This point has been deformed. So, in this case, haven't a problem. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay, error. Control Z. Don't show again. Control Z. Have Control Z. Till okay. Okay, no problem with this sketch. It's okay. Now, if you need to change start end and get it normal to profile, okay, normal to profile. If not okay, no problem, but normal to profile. All these profiles have a normal start end, and edit again. In guides have global. What does mean global? Global meaning that all guides will be connected to other globally. This means that would be like that. No any sharps, no any deformed point. Okay, global, like Earth, Okay, haven't no waves, no deformations globally. Okay.
What is the fastest thing to draw this?
The fastest way to draw it.
Wood and cut.
To cut you can, but will not give you sense to points to make special line here, something like that. Okay.
Say if we have it, and for me, if I have it and I need to make the fastest thing, how you decide which is the fastest thing?
You can use it with solid, but if you will use it with solid, will go to the like you did before. Come with that and block and cut it here and cut it here. We can try with you, but okay, but will not affect good surface. We need here you have sculpture with file, okay, but in Solidworks you
I'm
can
sorry,
use
you
that.
cannot fill it?
You can fill it, but a fillet have a limitation in fillets because of engineering fillet. Okay, but these are curving. Curving, you have unlimited points you can do. It is difference between them. This surface.
So this is what we call it. What we are doing now, what we call it?
Surface.
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 We have surface, we have solid,
Yeah.
and we have sketch.
Yes.
And
Surface.
what else?
Surface. I will see. This we need only to. This problem is a hanging, not software problem. It's a hanged. تهيسة يعني عندنا بالعربي.
لقيت بالحديد فيه قطاعات لايبرري.
يس فظيع الحديد في الستيل. لا في حاجات ما بتتخيلهاش.
انا هيك اللي بستعمل مثلا. اوكي هذه فهمناها. في شيء غير. Everybody understand it?
Surface concept.
Surface concept, everybody understand. بياخد شغل بالكونسبت تبع الكوردينيتس.
No.
يعني coordinate نعمل construction
بالظبط.
X Y Z.
اكس واي زد. هوريك ده حاجه. خش بس اكمل بس حته كده في السوستال هيليكال بعدين. Now, if you need to make a helical
Spiral.
or spiral, okay. First, you should analyze the spiral. What's a spiral?
Look what we have. We get a job super complicated if we don't have this software. We have a slide. تعرف صح ليه؟
Yeah.
وناس دي spiral shape.
Yeah.
This will face the problem, yes? How to draw it and how to get a file out of it, how to bend the steel, how to make it. It was like a nightmare
Yeah.
for one of the jobs. It is a U shape, and the U shape is
Have a passed or spiral way.
yeah, spiral way, and it's standing on a steel pillar in the center.
Yeah. Okay. Spiral way. First, the spiral has been consist from circle base. In spiral, you see a circle base.
Yes.
Okay. This means that first thing you should know in Solidworks on any software, you should go to sketch and top plan and draw a circle.
3 meter diameter.
3 meter. The external or internal?
The external.
The external. 3 meter or 3000 millimeters. Meaning 3 meters. Right. Control 7 again. Circle. This circle will be the base of your spiral. So, features.
Dash feature. Why features?
Yes, at the end of features, you will find something called the curves. Helix and spiral. Specific command called helix and spiral. Okay. Select only your circle. Done. Is a pass. These paths have a specific conditions. You can use it for springs, if you draw mechanical springs. Okay. If you draw something like Mr. Khaldun say now, زحلية. I don't know what the meaning زحلية in English. Slide. Okay. Slide. Okay. Now, to draw spiral, you have some inputs. What's the inputs of spiral? You have a multi input choice. I need to check.